Okay, from here, we'd like to show how we can analyze the time series data, especially for the frequency analysis. So firstly, we'd like to show you how we can calculate the dynamic spectra, mean the frequency time diagram. Command is the tdpwrsdc. This command calculates the dynamic spectrum for the time series. So this is an example. So the tdpwrsdc and the tplot variable names. Then we can see the tplot, the variable name here. So this is a new tplot variable after calculation, the Fourier transform. And after typing tplot, we can see that this plot, the top panel is the original waveform data, and the bottom panel indicates the frequency and time diagram, and color indicates the Fourier power spectrum. This command, the FFT with the Hanning window, is applied to derive the dynamic frequency spectrum of the data. Another approach to derive the frequency time diagram, we can use the wavelet analysis, the SPEDAS. The command name is the WAV data. So this is the example, WAV data and tplot variable name. Then we can see the new tplot variable here. And this is the result of the wavelet analysis. Top panel indicates the original waveform, and the bottom panel indicates the frequency time diagram. And the point is that this command accepts the data with the less than 32,768 the sample data. So the number of the data points should be reduced as done with the average data in this case. And another point is the color indicates the wave power, and color scale can be changed with the zlim command that is similar to the ylim command, but set the lower and upper limit of the color scale for spectrum type plot. So finally, we'd like to suggest that you look at the other information sources for SPEDAS. So SPEDAS Wiki, so this is the web page to have the user's guide, the plugin developer's guide, tips and tricks, and the list of the available crib sheets. And we'd like to suggest you to visit this web page. And also, we can look at the change log of the source repository for the bleeding edge of SPEDAS in this web page. And there are several crib sheets, the sample script for tplot, and the crib sheet is very useful for your analysis. Please look at the following directory. So there are several crib sheets. And for Japanese colleagues, please visit the following wiki page and useful information summarized for the SPEDAS. And finally, we'd like to mention the ERG Science Center web page. So here is the web address for the ERG Science Center web page. So please visit this web page to see the ERG's RSA project and to have the plugin analysis tool and data. And this is the ERG Science Center wiki page from the ERG Science Center web page, which page includes several useful and necessary information about data analysis. So we also suggest you to visit this wiki page. Thank you very much for your attention.